Today we will be testing a 5-minute trend trading indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute trend trading indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 108 different strategies, with 33 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the strategy with the Academy of Forex indicator and the Z-score probability indicator. I will put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can go straight there and watch that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 991 indicators, with 417 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a 5-minute trend trading indicator. And the source video claims that this buy-sell Tradingview indicator gives a 97.4% win rate. And so that is quite a substantial claim to make, claiming that it has a win rate of 97%. I've yet to find an indicator or strategy, for that matter, that has that high of a win rate. And so anytime you get up into the 90s, it starts to get kind of questionable at that point. And so, like I said, it is a 5-minute trend trading indicator, or at least we tested it on the 5-minute chart, because that is how they tested it in the source video. And so the indicator itself is the logical trading indicator. You can see it here on screen. And so, of course, we are on the default settings. We didn't change any of those. And you can see that it is clearly giving us these green tags and these red tags. It's also giving us these take profit kind of exits as well. And so what we did as far as the testing goes is that we took a red tag for a short and would exit when it gave us the red TP like so. And then on the opposite side, when we got a green tag, we would take that as a long, and if it gave us a green TP, we would then exit. The other exit kind of strategy was when the candle coloration switched to the opposite color. So for example, right here you can see that we have this green tag and we have green candles, and then you can see right here that it switches from green to red. Now in this particular case, it does give us a sell signal as it makes that coloration shift, and so that would have been a complete flip in the position there. Had we not gotten the tag, the red tag, then we would have just closed that trade and then looked for the next entry, whether it be long or short. And so moving down here, you can see that we then pick up this green tag right here. And so again, that would have been our entry right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it kind of plays out. You can see that we make this really nice push to the upside, and that would have gotten us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and play it forward here a little bit more, and you can see that right here we pick up a sell tag, and again we'll just go ahead and play this forward a little bit here, and you can see we're making another really nice push here, push to the downside, and you can see right there we get our take profit kind of exit signal. And so those are examples of two trades there that would have been two winning trades, and this one here would have been about 20 pips take profit. This one here would have been about 18 pips take profit. And so all in all, two really decent trades there with some decent gains. And so alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a Tradingview indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 5 break even. We got 23 winning trades and 22 losing trades. And so not a huge winning indicator, but definitely would have gotten you into some profit. You can see that more often than not, the winning trades were pretty decent, and as you can see by the 5 break-even trades, more often than not, the losing trades were relatively small. And so I think all in all, it's fair to say that this would have been a pretty profitable trading strategy. And so I think this one's definitely one to play around with, a lower time frame, decent little indicator for scalping or what have you. So this one's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.